The fridges in your business keep your stock fresh and your customers safe. Recording temperatures regularly is important for food safety. Also, with good record keeping, problems can be identified swiftly, reducing wastage. Manual recording of temperatures is a common solution, but it can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Readings from similar fridges can be easily mixed up, and it can be tempting to fill the sheet in later if you get distracted, or if you can't find a pen. ChecQR replaces the physical logbook with the digital record. A unique QR code sticker is added to each fridge next to the temperature readout or on a thermometer inside the fridge if there is no readout. When the QR code is scanned, ChecQR uses your smartphone or tablet to automatically take a photo of the temperature readout. Temperatures are recorded quickly using AI image recognition, and photos are saved securely in the cloud. ChecQR runs in your browser, so any smartphone or tablet can be used. This makes it easy to begin checking temperatures quickly without downloading and installing an app. Recording another fridge is quick and easy. Just point the camera at the next QR code to continue. You can scan fridges and freezers in any order you like. Progress is tracked on screen. The unique QR codes prevent mix-ups, and any readings taken by your co-workers will appear in real time, preventing duplicates. An extra confirmation is given when all fridges have been checked. The digital dashboard has been laid out in accordance with the Food Safety Standard Agency's SC2 refrigeration record recommendations. Temperature readings, photos, and timestamps are updated in real time on the dashboard, along with the details of who performed the checks. All information stored in the dashboard can be downloaded if needed. Reminders can be automatically sent if the temperature check hasn't been carried out by a specific time. ChecQR makes it easy to get the right reading at the right time. To get started, buy your sticker pack today.